was saying that it's kind of too early to kind of depict my zones and draw my zones because there's not really much data being formed right now. So I'm gonna give it a couple minutes to see how the market form, and then we can depict and draw my zones depending on the data that it forms in probably the next 10-20 minutes, and see the zones that it could break or react off of. Gold, yeah, I'm not liking how gold looked this morning. It looked like it already in a move, you know what I'm saying? So I might just chill with the Nasdaq alone for today and see how that play out. So we have a breakout happening here at on the Nas, breaking from the 171 100 what the hell 17,000, my bad, 17,173 area. Now if I can get a strong 15-minute close above this area, then I can get a retest on the 5-minute with my candlestick pattern analysis on the 1-minute. I'm definitely gonna take some longs to where, you may ask, using the fibs. I always use the Fibonacci for my take profits. Might take some longs to here. It's kind of small though. Let's see something real quick. Yeah, it's good for my TP level. Yeah, so I think this is the game plan right here. If price can close, give me a strong break above that level, I'm gonna just play out my strategy, wait for patience and everything form out, and if everything looks good, then that will be the first trade of the day. Yeah, we'll let you guys know how it play out. Yeah, so that candle that we was watching, it closed below, rejected off this structure point at 17,100 and closed under. So now we still just waiting to see what price is gonna do, if it's gonna break or, you know, respect that level and head all the way down. I'm telling people, man, the most thing in trading sometimes is just patience and just waiting for your thing to play out. So yeah, we're just gonna continue wait. I'm here catching up on some news on my next monitor over here, just reading some stuff staying updated. But for now, it's just a waiting game to see what price wanna do. So yeah, I'm gonna update y'all if anything else happens. So price has been rejecting this area, right? Could have had some entries here from this first rejection. Could have went down on my lower time frame, and when price came back up to retest and we had this nice bearish engulfing pattern, I could have had some entries there. But today I just feel like I'm waiting for a break of that low before taking my positions. I could have had something like this. You know what I'm saying, for 1 to 5, for TP2, which would be like on a 1 to 10. You know what I'm saying? So, but it's cool. I'd rather wait for the break today. I feel like I'll resonate more with the break of structure today. So yeah, look like we're not taking buys because price just been rejecting the hell out of that area. So we're gonna wait and see if we're gonna break the structure, and if we do, then we're gonna take some sells. Yeah, how I do my thing most of the times is if I have the big three, right? The three big indices I trade: US 30, NAS, and SPX. If 2 out of the 3 is showing me a signal of bearish movement, then I mostly focus on bearish movement, right? So for example, right now US 30 is showing me buys because it's rejecting this structure point. It might end up to go bearish over in overall, but right now it's showing me a buy signal, right? Because it's rejecting this structure point. But on SPX, right, price is rejecting the resistance point. Look like it's gonna head down and break this area, same as NAS. So right now my overall bias is sells, depending on if price can completely break this area. I hope that made sense to y'all. But yeah, right now we're just still in watching mode, still just waiting to see what price will do. Alright, damn, so this breakout here is huge. We might not even get a chance to enter a trade because the price broke out so far. You know what I'm saying? To come back all the way up here, very unlikely, but we can still watch, wait and see what happens. As I discussed earlier, I should have had some entries up in here when price rejected this area, but I just felt to wait for a break. So just one of them things where the trade miss it, just miss you. You know what I mean? I know I said I wasn't gonna trade gold today, but I just went to look at it and I saw a nice setup because the NAS trade completely left me. This is the NAS trade down here. I was expecting a retrace all the way up here, but as I said, with this big of a breakout, I doubt price was gonna come back all the way up here. So I was right in my first analysis when I said I should have got some sells up here. This would have been a 1 to 6 here, and then over a 1 to 10 here, which would have been a lovely day. But you know, that's how it is. Sometimes you miss some, you win some, you lose some. So this is what I'm in right now. Yeah, this is my NAS trade, the gold trade I should say, right here. So we're up a 1-to-1. I'm overall risk a little over 1-to-1. I'm overall risking around $50. So yeah, we should see how that play out. So yeah, we're chilling a little bit at a little over 1-to-1. Yeah, so I don't like how price is rejecting this structure point area right here. It looks like price wants to make, I'm saying, higher highs to overall shoot up. And normally, in my experience, gold always goes the opposite way of NAS. And NAS, we were looking for big sells today, right? And if price goes all the way, push all the way down to TP2, which would be a strong selling pressure, we might see gold on the other hand. Gold on the other hand make a big reversal to shoot all the way up. So yeah, I'm gonna wait to see how this 15-minute candle closes and take the necessary precautions from there onwards. So we'll see how that play out. Price look like it's making a nice breakout to the downside, which is what I like to see. You know what I'm saying? So look like we're on our way to TP1. I might even get some scaling options right here too to write it down some more. So it's still anybody's game. I'm up. Oh shit, up. I do this. I'm up like what, $120 right now. So yeah, we're gonna just wait and see if TP can get hit. I'll feel much more secure if we get a 15-minute break. We only have like 2 minutes left in this candle. So yeah, we're just gonna wait and see what happens. And also, NAS hit TP1 and is making a nice retrace bullish push up, what I like to see, because as I said, normally in my experience, NAS and gold I should say goes two opposite ways. So when NAS pushing up, gold normally drops, and I like to see that because I'm in a sell position right now. So yeah, we finna see what happens. Okay, so I had initially stopped recording because price was just taking hella long to break this area, just consolidating in here. I was even considered closing, but we finally had that break. Well, we up like 300 right now, which is cool. So yeah, price just doing its thing. I just gotta wait till TP1 is hit. So I'm not exiting at TP1. So I'm just gonna wait and see what price will do if it can make its way all the way down to TP2. So yeah, I'm gonna just hit y'all up when TP gets hit. So yeah, because I gotta get up and move. So, and plus this recording is gonna take up all my flipping storage. So I'm gonna just stop it and hit y'all up back when TP or SL gets hit. So yeah, man, as you can see here, I decided to close out $400 because it was getting late into the evening and I'm pretty sure volatility was gonna die out. So instead of making it right to my TP for around 700, let's take 400. A win is still a win. Just come back better the next day.